Hi guys, I am back with another little haul video. This is from Citrus Twist, which is a really cool little brand that I recently discovered because of Leilani scraps. So I picked up a bunch of things in their recent sale they had of nearly perfect albums. So these are albums that are not perfect up to their standards. So they're selling them at a discounted rate. And I thought that'd be a great time for me to try out the album to see if I like it before jumping in and buying them full priced. But I'm gonna pull all these goodies out of the box and then we can get started looking at everything that I got. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna show you are these tiny alphabet stickers. This style of sticker is some of my favorites. They're just these little, they're little like tile alphabets. So they're super small and they're great for adding on to like little tabs or adding longer words and things like that. And these are just really, really cute. And I love they come with a ton of E's, which is good for spelling. And they're just white with a blue alphabet. So I'm definitely gonna use those. And then I got these because I wanted to get those gold Allie Edwards puffy stickers, but they sold out. So these are gold puffy stickers and they're just a really clean, simple font. Citrus Twist. And then I got a whole bunch of page protectors. So I got every single style except for the full page style because I believe they all come with those. So I'm now looking at it and realizing that they're different sizes. So I'm hoping that this all works, but I didn't read very detailed into what I got. But this is a larger pocket and two smaller pockets. This is supposed to be an Instax size pocket, I'm pretty sure. And then 4 Instax size pockets. I think this is too big. I don't know. We'll see. And then these thinner ones are 2 photos. Then we got 2. Are these 2x2? I don't know. Where's my ruler? Yeah, 2x2 pockets here. And then, so maybe this is the Life Crafted size and this is something else. But I feel like this is going to fit into the Life Crafted size. So I think it's fine. And then I got this one that's like a larger and then a smaller piece at the bottom. So let's pull an album out and see. Oh, and then I also got these little strips, which I have a similar item from Felicity Jane. These ones are just much more flexible. The Felicity Jane ones are like a thicker acetate, but it basically just an adhesive strip. You can add anything on top of it and put it straight into the album. And here are a couple of the little sprinkly things they stuck in there. Okay, so these are the 3 album colors I got. I have lilac, maybe forest green. I think this one's called Calypso and this one's called Marigold. Upon looking at the albums, I'm thinking maybe these ones are damaged because they have these slight little dents up here. This one seems like maybe the book plate's not perfectly centered. I don't know what's wrong with this one. But overall, they look really good. So let's just look at one. I'm most excited for the purple one, I would say. So let's just look at it and see. So they each come, oh, this one also has like marks here maybe, I don't know. They come with the full page protectors inside them. And then it's a 6-ring binder. So that fits. It's definitely smaller, but it fits. This is different though. So this one's like a little wide maybe. Same with this one, will be a little wide. These ones seem like the perfect size. Okay, so this one fits as well. This is like the right size. So it seems like this and this are like the correct full size for this album. These two seem a bit wide and this one is a little bit narrow, but I think totally still works. So, you know, maybe I wasn't supposed to buy all of those, but I liked them, so I did. And the one that's a little wide, it's just like this. It sits out a little further, but I don't really think that's a problem if you had 4 small photos you wanted to include. But yeah, that is everything I got. I will definitely be creating some albums in these little books. I might do the Thanksgiving album this year into this book, potentially. But I haven't decided yet. So I'll definitely be creating some mini albums though in these books. I'm super excited about them. I think they're really cute. I love the colors. I love that it's a smaller size than a 6x8. So I'm very excited to get started on them. I hope you enjoyed. And if you use Citrus Twist products, definitely let me know below what you're using, what you're excited about. And I think there's still, as of recording this, some nearly perfect albums left in stock. So if you're interested in trying them out at a little bit of a lower price, definitely go ahead and check them out now. I will text you guys soon, and have a good rest of your day. Bye, guys.